I'm Lena. I am an extensive cryptocurrency and stocks trader with over 13 years market experience. Do you have difficulties when trading? Look no further, because I am here to guide you through the difficult part. I started IOC trading to help other traders avoid some of the costly mistakes that I made. You would learn market trends, technical analysis, day trading effective techniques, which includes market strike prices and stop losses. I charge 15% commission depending on your daily trading volume. With my signals, you can earn up to $35,000 from an investment, trading with $5,000 in 6 weeks. Contact me. You can email me at lenaiactraders.com. You can also contact me on Telegram, Lena Meredith. Thank you for watching this video.